Want to know what to do with these Trader Joe's spices? In this video, I'm going to show you 5 of the best ways that you can use this spice. If that's something you want to see, just keep watching. Outside of the Spice Market box, the Everything But the Elote seasoning is $2.49. The main ingredients are salt, sugar, cumin, cilantro, a little bit of chili powder, Parmesan cheese, and what makes it extra special is that they've added corn flour, which gives it that great elote flavor. Here are my 5 ways to use the Everything But the Elote seasoning. Number 1, basic millennial avocado toast. It is good, it is great, it will always be great. Go ahead and take a piece of bread, smash some avocado on it, sprinkle the seasoning, you're done, and it's good. Number 2, scrambled eggs. I don't know about you, but I can have scrambled eggs for breakfast, lunch, and dinner. Very simple and easy to make, very quick, tastes great. Number 3, a veggie dip. Greek yogurt, cilantro, seasoning, you're done. Dip your carrots, cucumbers, bell peppers, throw it out for a party. Super simple, super easy. Number 4, roasted vegetables. Take any vegetables that you love, go ahead and toss them with some avocado oil, put them on a sheet tray, sprinkle the seasoning on, give it about 20 minutes in the oven, you're ready. Number 5, a 3-ingredient dressing. Check it out. A modern ratio for any vinaigrette is 2 parts oil, 1 part acid. The acid can be vinegars, citrus juice, kombucha, pickle juice, anything really. And your oils can be any flavor that tickles your fancy. Today we're actually going to use avocado oil. I'm gonna use this lime juice, and we're gonna use the Everything But the Elote seasoning, which is the star of the show today. So we're gonna measure out 2 tablespoons of our avocado oil, and I'm putting it straight into the container that I'm gonna shake the vinaigrette in. There's 1, there's 2. Then the second ingredient, we have our lime juice. Now this is not from concentrate juice that I get from a restaurant supply store because I have that kind of access, but you can do fresh squeezed lime juice. There's nothing wrong with that. You can use the bottled stuff. I just preferred the pasteurized version. It tastes fresher and it doesn't have that preservative in it that keeps it fresh. So fresh squeezed or pasteurized, not from concentrate juice is really good. And then the star, our Everything But Elote seasoning, we're gonna go ahead and add, because we have our cap, we're gonna add a full teaspoon. So it's 2 tablespoons of oil, 1 tablespoon of lime juice, and a full teaspoon of our spice. Shake, 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 shake. This is why I like to do it in the actual container, because then there's no mess. There we go. And now we have a delicious vinaigrette for any of your salad greens to enjoy. Also launching alongside this 5-part video spice series is the Trader Joe's inspired cookbook Spice Market Edition. Inside, there's 25 brand new recipes by me, Chef EB. It can be found at the links in the description box below on Amazon and on Kindle. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel, share this video, and down in the comments below, let me know what you think of these tips and tricks. I'll see y'all next time.